Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Power BI projects tutorial. Today we will be analyzing bank data analysis. For this project we have got some objectives to be followed or to be implemented in this particular project. We need to represent these objectives in order of visualization, right? So let's get started. First import our dataset CSV file and then transform data. Now we'll do some data cleaning. Remove this customer ID column, this is useless, and merge these two columns, name and surname, from transform and merge columns. Separator will be space and new column name will be name. Okay, then our next task will be now we want to create a new column. We want to show the age values into range of age. So for this we can go to add column and we can create new column by two methods. One using custom columns and column from examples. Custom column is nothing but just using formulas to make a new column, and column from examples is give us the opportunity to use GUI. This is much easier to make a new column. So we'll select this from selection and go to here. I will write 21 to 30, the age range, and you can see that the other field are predicted by Power BI software. It has been predicted. It has predicted. It has predicted the rest of the values according to my first value, right? So I need to change in second values to 31 to 40. 31 to 40, yes. So Power BI do the rest of the task for me. Now I click OK, and if we see that we created a column that represent the range of age, right here. Okay, so name this column to age group. Okay, okay, we are done. So change this dataset name to bank data analysis. Okay, then close and apply. Here is our modified dataset that we have been modified in Power Query, right? Okay, so let's start our data analysis and visualization part. So according to our objectives, our first task is balance, to show balance by age and gender. Okay, for this purpose I will choose a line chart and go to into focus mode. Then I will select balance or gender in x-axis and balance in y-axis, also age. So I will select balance first of all in y-axis and age to x-axis. This is showing the balance in y-axis and age at x-axis, right? It is showing that by increasing the value of age, the balance also increasing, and after a certain point or certain age, the decreasing after decreasing age our balance, the balance is also decreasing, right? So our task is to show balance by age and gender. So select gender into legend. This is now comparable, uh, male versus female, right? So change some go to format and change its color. I will select right and change the title to balance by age and gender. Okay. Our first visualization is complete. Now our next visualization, next task is saying that number of customers by age and gender. For this purpose I will select a column chart and go into focus mode. Select age to x-axis and gender to name to y-axis. This is showing name by count of name by age, or customers number of customers by age, right? But this is not looking good because of uh, huge amount of data and their variations. So in this particular case we'll use age group instead of age. Now it is looking good, and we also need to use gender, compare male versus female. Okay, and I want to sort it as age group and ascending order, so that the age 11 to 20 and 21 to 30, 31 to 40 is coming first. Okay. Okay, now go to format tab and make some formatting. Enable data labels. Turn background on, to transparency reduce to 0. Okay, and change color. I need to change the color. Right. Okay, now change the title. Choose number of customers by age and gender. Okay, our second visualization is also completed. Now third one is saying that the number of customers by region. So for this purpose, select donut chart and go to focus mode to show or to determine the number of customers by region. You need to select name into values and region to legend. Go to format tab and do some formatting. Here I only want to show the percentage, yes, percentage of total, and change the colors of slices. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, our next task is balance by region. So select donut chart again and now go into focus mode and select balance to values and region to legend, and change the title to balance by region, right, and make some changes in format. So go to data labels and select only percent of total, right, and then slices color, change slices color to as per your wish, blend, like, okay, right. uh, Here we can do one thing, and that is first change the slices color for Wallace to uh, this blue, and this one is light blue. Okay, now what we can turn off legend or enable the legend. Why? Because we want to use this legend for these two donut chart, right, which is require less space and it is also looking good, right? Okay, so our next objective is number of customers by job type. Okay, for this visualization purpose I'll select again donut chart, then select job classification legend and customer count of customer to values, and change the color first of all. Okay, done. Then change the data label contents to percent of totals, and change the title to number of customers by job type. Okay, one thing we can do, that is, we can change the position of legend to bottom center, right? This is more space consuming, right? This takes less space and is also looking fresh, right? Now our next objective is balance by gender. Okay, again select a donut chart, then gender into legend and balance into values, and change the color, right? Okay, and legend position to bottom right or bottom center. Change the title to balance by gender. Okay, also change content type from visual data level content, select percentage of total. Okay, okay. Hmm. So our next task is total customers joined. Okay, we need to determine the total customers joined uh, per year in each year. So select line chart for this and date joined to x-axis, and name of customer to y-axis, count of customer, right? Okay, this is representing the number of customers uh, that joined each year. Okay, count of customers or the number of customers in each year. Like from this visualization or this representation, we can analyze that uh, in 2015, September 2015 between November 2015 is the highest amount. Okay, so that means this time this bank got maximum number of customers. Okay, so change the title to total customer joined, customer joined. mm, and change the color. Okay, and data level, no need to enable data levels. Okay, we can resize them and fit into the perfect position. Okay, we almost done. So we just left three cards to show statistical analysis or statistical values. That is, first one is maximum balance by age. Okay, so select a card and drag age to fields and age again to filter. Okay, so we need to filter top one by balance. Uh, Here we need to select maximum. So what are we doing here? Our objective says we need to determine the age. Okay, the age at which the bank balance is maximum. So we select age, so and filter it the exact age that has the maximum bank balance. Okay, by filtering sum of balance. Okay, by filtering this value. Now we need to determine the minimum bank balance by age. Okay, so first of all, change this title to maximum balance by age, and now we'll do the we'll follow the same process. Okay, by age, and we'll filter out the age column, and instead of selecting top, now we'll select bottom, right? Because we want the minimum, so bottom one, and by value balance, filter out by balance. Okay, so change the title to balance minimum balance of age, minimum balance by age. Okay, okay, now our final card uh, is to show maximum customer by gender, maximum customer by gender. Okay, so select a card and then grab gender and drop it to field, and we'll filter this by gender. Select top n and the maximum number of people. Apply filter, so we can see that it is saying that the maximum customers gender is male, right? Okay, 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 it's looking good now. So we can insert a text box here to show what kind of data analysis we have done. Mm, okay, I will go with this one. Insert a text box. Okay, then go to style, change color, transparency. No, not fill. Okay, and then text on. Here will be given our dataset or the analysis name. Okay, I will give customer analysis bank and select color to black and increase the size and bold it. Okay, uh, if you want you may change the font size. You may select the uh, font size that suit this dashboard, right? For now I choose this default one. Okay, okay, I may add a background. mm, I select this color. Okay, okay, this is our final report, ultimate report that we have done in this particular tutorial. So thank you guys for watching my video till now. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in later videos. So till then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.